Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Okta Verify on a new phone. First, unlock your new phone and open the App Store or Google Play Store. Download and install the official Okta Verify app. Once it is installed, tap on the app icon to open it. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a screen with a Get Started button. Tap on Get Started to continue. The app will now ask you to create or add an account. You will see two options on the screen. The first option is Organization, which is used for school, work, or any company account. The second option is Other, which is used for personal services like Facebook, Google, or similar platforms. If you choose the Organization option, the app will ask you to scan a QR code. If you already have the QR code, tap on Scan a QR code and point your phone camera at the code. The app will scan it and start setting up your account. If you do not want to scan a QR code, tap on the option that says Sign In instead. You will then be asked to enter the sign-in URL for your organization. Type the full URL carefully and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. If you choose the other option instead, the app will again give you two choices. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key manually. After completing these steps, your account will be added successfully. Thanks for watching.